Kalau jangan kira Mani minta tolong, kalau terlebih 3-4 minit kita minta ampun, maaf. Okey. Satu, Hakim, what we learn from Hakim mentioning, we are all citizen scientists, betul? Okay. You are all having all the opportunity to access to ke depan, regardless what is your education. Hakim cakap SPM cemerlang, mungkin dia, mungkin tak, saya tak tahu kan, dia cakap je macam itu kan, tapi mungkin SPM betul. Okey, Dr. Latif, what is the importance of our perangai di universiti? Kenapa kadang-kadang kita approach lecturer reluctant? Saya mencuba berkali-kali, bertahun-tahun. Saya menunggu seorang teknologis datang ke NES secara official. Probably not Dr. First one, Dr. Munirah. Tapi sebab Dr. Munirah run another organisation, we don't invite her officially to NES. Okay, she stand outside as an advisor. Tapi the actual otonologis yang ada dengan kita adalah Dr. Atika Tepuk sikit. Tapi saya kena tunggu, kami kena tunggu 8 tahun baru kita jumpa Dr. Alright. Walhal kita cerita, kita punya pillars, kita punya expertise adalah buruk. Saya approach beberapa otonologis. Dan bila kita dengar Dr. Latif cerita, that is actually probably the reason. Jangan bersangka buruk, ya, saya selalu bercakap mereka sangat easy. Tetapi saya selalu argue dengan lecturer, you are doing all the data collection, all the beautiful paper, what next? From the outcome of the paper, apa yang boleh buat to benefit the community? Saya selalu argue. Okay. So, kenapa tak go further? Go one step further, go 2 step further. Community tak baca all the scientific report. Betul? Okey, tak apa. Yang tu nanti kita keep arguing gitu. Bila kita dengar Datuk Shah, saya kenal Datuk Shah on off, yeah, di social media, bang untuk him, dekat-dekat ni. Tapi saya tahu, saya sebenarnya sangat melekat kepada European Union Fund. Untuk mana-mana tahu, apa yang kita ada funding sekarang, selain daripada government funding, contohlah NCTF, kita adalah daripada Datuk Nuri tadi, earn income. We work based on earn income. We work professionally, we do publication, we do survey, we will pay. Correct. Tetapi, we don't have the sustainability income. To sustain, to run the office, to pay the staff, that is why it's actually our challenge. Because without this, we cannot plan 5 years ahead. We cannot plan 10 years ahead. That is why, from 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I start shouting, look at the finance side, look at the revamp and look at and improve the finance side. How can we improve? I'm sorry, I'm talking on behalf of the group members. But again, I think today is something like macam, me personally, I feel so grateful because listening to all the sharing by all these invited guests. But at the same time, I feel so small. Too much thing to explore. Too much thing to grab. Being specialist in our life is not good enough for us to develop a good group, a potential group. We might be a specialist, budding specialist, 30 years, 40 years experience. We work alone, we are going nowhere. Correct? Setuju kan? Kita expert dalam bidang kita. 30 tahun experience. Kita kerja seorang, there's no way that we can do. The most we can do survey. That is our specialized. Tetapi kalau all this pengalaman we combine together, that's where all the 3 speakers has been sharing with us today, and we got to be very, very grateful. Open up the mind, especially the members, and whoever selected will be selected tomorrow during the AGM. The challenge is actually You. I keep telling ourselves, so much thing to crack outside. That's why 9 years still fighting. But still, kalau lepas dengar ni 9 tahun, saya rasa baru nak melangkah je. Actually, baru nak start je. Walaupun kita rasa malam ni kita dengar lah, kita ada 10 publication lah, we do have so much lah, journal lah, we do have many things. Tetapi apa yang kita buat 9 tahun ini, rupanya it's just a fiction of satu benda yang sangat besar. Tetapi again, we cannot go far without this long-term plan. We cannot go far without the long-term financing. Definitely we cannot go. Depending so much on the earn project, macam kita kata, kita dapat, kita habiskan for that project. Tapi operational macam mana? Kan? Planning macam mana? Orang yang mengurus macam mana? Kita suruh orang pergi kerja, tapi projek tak jalan. Kita suruh orang pergi pitching, canvassing, everything. That costs of money. It will cost you a lot. Who is going to finance the project? Right? Because kita akan cakap, oh bagilah besok sikit. Projek bagilah, bayar dia lebih sikit. How much lebih that you are paying to that guy? Okay kan? Maknanya macam itulah. Tetapi, I would suggest for everyone, whoever being selected tomorrow, appointed tomorrow, keep it this one. I understand everybody busy, everybody have their commitment. We fully understand on that one. Tapi we got to start somewhere. Yeah? Orang-orang muda. Now we are looking for 2 grants. Satu from Khazanah, satu from BD Alam. And I think on Monday we have a meeting with one corporate group for the long term. Tak nak disclose dulu aku, belum dapat kami. Tak nak cakap dulu. Tapi we are going towards that. We are going towards that. But again, a complete long-term planning in terms of financial, I think is very essential. Sangat mustahil in order to make sure that our direction betul. Kan, kita boleh plan 5 years, 10 years. Tapi kalau yang ni tepi-tepi kita tak betulkan kan, rumah kita kan, macam mana kita nak plan? Nak panggil orang kerja sekarang, betul lah. I think macam abang akan, kalau tanya dia cabut dia akan kata we travel 300 kilometers for RM50. You experience? We travel pergi balik sehari semalam tanpa dapat duit. We experience that. Tapi takkan selamanya kita nak in that position. We are not complaining, especially to the youngsters. Jangan terkejut kalau you kerja 3 hari 3 malam, tiba-tiba 1 hari RM50 allowance. Jangan terkejut. Money kena berapa? 3 hari RM50. Jangan terkejut. Tapi as a group, as a so-called a group lah ya, takkanlah kita nak berada dalam situasi itu sepanjang masa selama-lama. Think of something, try to get the database, all the link dah bagi, bukanlah bagi, maknanya all the tips kita dah dapat hari ini. Saya rasa we got to give a big hand to all the 3 speakers. Okay lah. Okay. Saya memang sorry, kalau saya cakap bagi memang saya semangat. Sebabnya saya dah 9 tahun menggerakkan perkara ini bersama beberapa orang rakan. Dan kita nampak ada improvement. Tapi bila kita dengar petang ni, sebenarnya banyak lagi yang kita boleh explore. Cuma sekarang ni as an NGO, kena tepuk dada tanya selera lah kot. Kalau kita betul-betul nak bermain, jomlah. Itu sistem saya. Kalau betul-betul kita nak main, jom kita main. Kalau tak apa. Kan? Okey, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.